Prices: one of main event for bowling, food, and fun in Arizona. There is no admission charge to enter main event. You can visit for free, grab a gelato, a pizza, visit the bar if you are old enough, dine in the full-service restaurant, or watch your friends or children play. Fees for bowling vary depending on when you bowl. Fees are charged per lane and per hour for a maximum of 6 people per lane. Bowling shoes are available to rent. Laser tag and gravity ropes have per session rates. Sessions are about 15 minutes in length. The F-Une card is used to play the games. You may load the card, keep it, and recharge it on any visit. Each game requires a certain amount of credits to play. Video game play prices range from $1.25 to $4. Check online for special deals and discounts, like Monday Night Madness and bonus play F-Une cards.